napakaligaya para sa tao yung sex, no? Yan, alam mo, kaya ganyan yan. Kasi, yan ay paraan ng Diyos para yung tinatawag nating procreation.
Premarital sex, an act of two individuals engaging in sexual activities before they're even married. Before we dive in any further on this topic, let us discuss what are those reasons on why this event frequently happens. First of all is the curiosity of the two individuals. Human nature, I guess. The more we are curious, the more we are likely to try it out. Media. Second reason. In our age of technology, adult stuff is so accessible nowadays. The influence of those films gets to us probably, pressure. When we love someone, we usually do not so smart things for them. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. There are several other factors on what are the reasons of this event, such as environmental influence, idleness, boredom, bad parenting, and maybe just the wrong association overall. And now to elaborate more of these, we interviewed a selected participants to give their opinion about the topic.
Hello, good morning. Dito pala kami sa MCL at kasama ko mga kaibigan na hindi ko papangalanan. Ang question ko is, do you have any advice to those who practice premarital sex and those who are not?
Una, sa mga nagpa-practice ng premarital sex, be sure it's safe. Yun lang. Kasi hindi natin alam kung, lalo na kung hindi natin kakilala yung mga partner natin, kung malinis ba yun sila. So, kailangan parang magpa-check up sila palagi para good sex life. Yan. Basta di ako against them. So, basta masaya sila sa ginagawa. So, yung mga hindi, okay din kasi may mga reasons naman kung bakit hindi natin ginagawa yung mga usually na ginagawa ng iba. Kasi hindi naman natin kailangan gumaya sa usap.
So, as a student, do you agree with premarital sex?
Yes, but on certain grounds. Like, for example, if the two participants would practice using protection, that would be okay, since we live in a more open-minded society.
Do you have any advice to those who practice premarital sex and those who aren't?
I believe that everyone is entitled to their own beliefs. For example, if I were to give advice to those people who do practice premarital sex, I would say to use protection until they're ready. To those, they could maintain their beliefs, stay wholesome.
So, do you agree with premarital sex?
I think so. Kasi depende naman sa paniniwala ng isang tao yan kung gusto nila sundin yung utos ng Diyos or kung ayaw nila or kung gusto nilang sundin yung sarili nilang paniniwala.
So, do you have any advice to them mga nag-engage sa premarital sex tsaka hindi?
Para sa akin, siguro kung gagawin niyo man, siguro need invitations somehow na if pag underage pa rin kayo, sana alam niyo yung invitations niyo.
Now that the opinions are already given, we now proceed to real facts that are researched throughout the years before this video was even made.
Almost all Americans have sex before marrying, according to premarital sex research that shows such behavior is the norm in the US and has been for the past 50 years. The new study shows that by age 20, 75% of Americans have had premarital sex. That number rises to 95% by age 44. Even among those who abstained from sex until 20 or beyond, 81% have had premarital sex by 44, the study shows. Researchers say that the findings question the feasibility of federally funded abstinence-only education programs.
Over a third of Filipino, aged 15 to 24, have engaged premarital sex, or what we call PMS. And the majority of them do not use any form of protection. According to the data gathered by Philippine Statistics Authority, data show that 35.5% of young female and young male have engaged premarital sex.
Based on the results of 2013 Young Adult Fertility and Sexuality Study conducted by the University of the Philippines, Population Institute, and Demographic Research Development Foundation, 1 in every 10 Filipina teen aged 15 to 19 years old is already a mother. Further, 2.6% of Filipina teens in the same age group are already pregnant with her first child, while 13.6% have begun childbearing.
So in conclusion on all of this, we have concluded that PMS is a normal thing nowadays, as long as you use proper protection and you are over the age requirement. Based on the interviews though, the facts show that the practice is done more often than it is not, going by numbers. And that is everything you need to know about premarital sex. Until next time.